save the whole floor from collapsing, because this will act as a staircase unit differently. Okay, right now if we are giving, this is again a similar kind of thing, but in this case I am not getting enough space for providing shear walls continuously. So I am making sure that I am giving shear walls even if I am getting a small length, because बूंद बूंद से ही घड़ा बढ़ेगा. This will act as a firm frames when the earthquake force will come.
बस घड़ा, हम तो समझ रहे थे सागर भर जाएगा.
सागर तो भरा हुआ ही है.
इकडे जे एक ठेवलं की नाही स्टेअरकेस, ये जो अपना स्टेअरकेस में जो ये छोड़ा है गैप छोड़ा है, see the strut effect is like this
in the other direction.
हाँ, तो इस पर जो अगर गैप है या
इस बाजू नहीं, पूरी स्टेयरकेस को अलग करो मैं बोल रही हूँ.
लेकिन आपने क्या,
मैंने उसको सिर्फ लिखा यहाँ पे भी गैप है, उसको मैंने बनाया नहीं बोला.
So it is similar like what we saw yesterday.
स्टेयरकेस को आइसोलेट कर दो, ब्लॉक को उसके साथ फ्लोर के साथ मत अटैच करो.
स्ट्रट इफेक्ट है,
ये इस तरह
स्ट्रट इफेक्ट जो है इट इज ऑन दैट साइड ना.
Have you seen the details in civil engineering lab? The whole landing with that, there is a small gap running around. You have isolated the whole
is
that gap provided here?
So that gap is not
Gap-
the
it's
gap
not
is not
provided.
running on three sides. It is running only on two sides.
Yeah.
The landing is right touching to the
There is-
column.
Yes.
Yeah, it's touching, but so there are वो वाले plates हैं.
What they might have done is the similar like what we just now saw, that your the landing is resting over the wind. That is what they are.
That's what.
So it can
And
slide.
Yeah.
It can slide, and there are whatever we see, वो जो जिससे हम लोग गिरते गिरते बसते हैं, that's the two lines हम लोहे की जा रही हैं, जो make sure कि there are two different slabs. And with this, and there are small minor corrections, like we always have this kind of duct for toilet to hide the pipes and everything. If you are really concerned about those pipes and everything, please make sure that you are getting those pipes within the wall itself. Don't make such a small notches, because this will act different when the earthquake force comes. If you see, these openings always are dangerous because there are abrupt changes in mass. So these are the few things which I guess different from that example.
And also
And
the
right
two
now,
blocks- two blocks are separated.
no, that is another. Let's come to this first. Now, this is a typical architectural detail. We provide as much as open thing, as I explained, because I need this as a dining area and then as a drawing overlooking the. This much big opening. So there is again a change in the mass, and to avoid this thing, you can have this kind of bracings, okay, to make this column in that same position even after earthquake and during the earthquake.
Get the upper level.
मतलब नीचे वाला एक जगह पे रखो. Go to the basics always. जो भी करना है, make sure you are achieving the same thing what you want. Don't worry about detailing and everything. Rest
See, when
everything
you
will
have
fall into place.
restriction of a height, because we have to design an open space for the entire height of the building. So naturally, we feel that our floor height should be as less as possible. So that is why we normally go for a 9 feet height of a floor.
Yeah.
And then we have a door opening, which is obviously have to be a 7 feet at least. Okay. So what you get is a 2 feet. Out of that 2 feet, you have another beam running. It should be almost about 1.5 feet deep. So in
if
that
it is,
case,
like in this case, the floor height is more.
yeah, in this
Yeah.
case it is floor height, but when you have a floor height which is less, where you cannot have this strut, then what happens?
You are having the tie beam.
You have a tie beam. of
Ultimately, you
seven
are
up
doing
to
the same
7.
thing. You are keeping the columns apart. That's all you have to do. नीचे भी एक डालिए. जब आप इतना चेंज कर रहे हो, इतनी बड़ी ओपनिंग चाहिए. Make sure कि आप अचानक से कोई किसी में
At every floor level you have a beam. Tie beam will be there for the column.
टाई बीम होगा, ऊपर से लिंटर बीम भी होगा.
No, you can't have na that.
सर लिंटल बीम नहीं होगा तो अभी आपने सीखा क्या फिर?
2 फुट का ही है ना above the opening there is only 2 feet
2 feet left, but that's what I am saying. You add a strut action in that 2 feet even, because you
Within the
are
beam itself.
no.
Then
See, if this opening is this is only a 2.5 feet.
2 feet only. 2 feet.
So 2 feet के ऊपर add this beam, add a beam to
No,
this.
the beam itself is
The
2
beam
feet
is
and
one
that is
feet.
how to make the floor height 9 feet.
No, but what I'm saying, for such a small
No,
span,
it's not 2 feet.
it will never be 2 feet.
2
It will
feet.
be very less. Secondly, it also includes the slab thickness, so the projection below the slab will be very less. In that case, you will
Normally
have enough
what
opening.
we do is just have a 2 feet deep beam.
Yes.
you don't need anything you don't need
It's
anything
good
You
enough.
don't need 2 feet.
You
You
don't
need a very
No
small
need for
span.
earthquake engineering
Hardly 9 inches beam will do for
I was
this.
thinking
In that case, your 7 feet height, the column 7 feet height is a freestanding height.
7 feet.
Yes.
Obviously.
Sir, yeah, then it will act as a short column वाला थी ना.
नहीं वो जो कह रहे हैं
That is
like
what I'm
the floor to
saying.
floor is
How-
9 feet even if the beam is a feet deep it comes to a level of 8 then your door opening is at 7 you're only left
Very
with a feet
less.
in between
Another one.
if you give a little lintel band you won't even have space for 2 courses of bricks that is what is you're saying
That is one thing.
so normally if we provide
What we do is
And
we
this
have-
little band probably might be avoided.
But in that case, what happens is your 7 feet high column
Yeah.
becomes a freestanding.
yeah
And the same effect is going to happen on this 7 feet.
yes
So in that case, what-
shortening of column to nahi
That
hota
is
Steel up, steel up.
That's on the confinement.
redesign the column
Its only solution is the confinement. Right now, I can do add as much as improvement I can, as much as RCC I want to make sure they are safe. But what about the servant quarters? Because they are also counted in population. When there is a notice that 200 died, nobody writes ki who has died, but there is a number and they are also accountable of this thing. So this is a typical plan for LIG people. Now this it's very beautiful plan because I have planned only this much portion and given an access to computer said mirror image. This is very beautifully come up with the axis of symmetry and everything. But to connect these two plans, I've given this bridge. Okay? Everything is okay, but when the earthquake comes, this block will vibrate differently and this bridge is the first thing to collapse. Okay? Even if I provide all kind of freestanding columns and with struts and everything, this is something which is very going to behave as a very differently. So please make sure in this kind of cases, in this case you can easily isolate the staircase. But please make sure that you are isolating this kind of bridges also along with that. Because a small 2 mm का gap or 3 mm का gap या 1 inch का gap you can see.
So staircase and bridge can be one unit.
One unit.
2 blocks can be
And
separated.
that's what you can design. That's what the interpretation of an architect would come into the picture. This is something you can go with and you can say to your structural engineer that this is going to be a different unit and this is going to be another unit. Okay? And in that...
So one thing would have been possible that instead of a well in between, you could have taken that staircase little
Out.
out, separate out this
Yeah,
wall.
that will be a
And then
better-
you can get a gap between the staircase and the flat.
So that
But again, that...
collision between staircase and these blocks would have avoided. You could have projected it here or anywhere.
Even
wherever
if
it
I'm
was.
isolating, तो collision का सवाल नहीं आएगा.
So that
Provided
would-
they are
that would be
separate.
a better solution. Except that bridge.
plans are constant na she said
Okay.
Are you ready to change your plans? I will say you are very flexible architects. I never had such kind of truth before.
No, we are always
Everybody-
ready to accept our faults or.
That is something, sir. I would appreciate in this batch. Everybody is accepted their mistakes and this thing.
One thing
Never-
I'll tell you, we are just now changing because we have learned something. That architect may not have learned it.
Now you are going to the right place. Architects are the most. Architects are the most egoist person. They will never change their plan, even if they are wrong. They know that thing. Never change their
Right.
inner.
Yes, it is
Right.
obvious now.
Right.
I will not change my mindset now because I know what is going to happen.
Yeah.
So now tomorrow if you tell me you change your status like that, I am going to tell you this is not because.
So your program has succeeded?
Like,
No, which is the next program? Next.
Yeah.
Next, example.
This part.
Which this part? Okay. Now, these are the few detailings. Like, I guess you may not come up with these things, but this is an thesis of an student in IIT Kanpur. He has come up with the detailing that if you provide a diagonal arrangement of brick arrangement, it will act yeah, because always the force is normal in any direction. But how to come up with this kind of construction? So it's a problem. So if you are adopting this thing, then you need not worry for anything else. But if you are not going for this kind of things, please make sure that even if you are providing a curtain wall kind of thing, because in these things we need notches for to give place for almirah or something, and that is something we are providing. I am getting this much deflection. If I am adding one band more in this lintel section, I will reduce a considerable deflection. Okay, and another a small bit on sill. This I have reduced the deflection to the minimum. This is within the elastic limit, and it will come up with this thing. After defending my sill band, I guess if it is possible, provide. If it is not, if it doesn't fit in.
No, in fact, for any partition wall, it is recommended that every third or fourth layer you should have a regular RCC layer.
Every 1 meter.
Sir, देखा नहीं आज तक जिंदगी
नहीं नहीं होता है, हमने तो देखा है
Construction-
होता है
कंस्ट्रक्शन में बहुत देखा
The
है।
regular construction
अच्छा।
itself, it's there. It is there.
This one is something, this column details, like if something is this kind of, these are abruptly, I've missed out these blocks for getting parking areas or something, because LIG में I've considered कि 2-wheelers की parking होगी, so मैंने एक block निकाल दिया है. So if I'm removing that block, this kind of situation, so for that I'm again reducing the stiffness. So I'm literally omitting a brick wall which is always present in other cases. So to stiffen that case, to save that case, I can't increase my slab level or something. So or increase my beam depth. So just do, you know that there is going to be failure in this region. At least for the certain intensity, you can resist it by having such kind of details. Okay. This beam, I know this will protrude like this, it will look very odd, but this is for LIG. Okay, and these are the few small details.
You remove brickwork, brick masonry, then you can stiffen the columns. Not necessary to provide.
I have brick
We
masonry.
can revise the design and
Yes.
the reinforcement in column we can increase.
You can do it in so many
Not
ways.
necessary.
So many. I'm not saying. I'm saying if the brick wall, this is freestanding columns all the way. I can't introduce a wall with this because this is parking area, and I don't have enough margin to do anything else than this. So at least I can do this.
No, if you can restrict or decide whether vehicle, it might be a two-wheeler, will enter from this side or this side, then the other side can be closed.
Yeah. That I'm saying even if I don't want that thing, that option should be there. You can do this thing.